Okay, hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're tracking the tropics, and we have a pretty big tropical update. So, as I move the arrow, you can see that it kind of looks like there's a system that could enter into the Caribbean Sea. And there's going to be a system that enters the Caribbean Sea, and then it goes towards Mexico, and then weakens, and then goes back into the Gulf, and then the storm goes towards Texas as a 995 millibars. But this storm is going to bring rainfall totals up to 20 to 24 inches in this area. That's a lot. So let's check the vertical wind, or the cyclonic vorticity. So cyclonic vorticity is all the way up to the black 50. And since the storm is this dark, that means it's a very strong storm. And the storm could become a hurricane, or even a potential major hurricane. But let's check the total wind speed of the storm. So the 850 millibar winds show that the storm's going to come in the Gulf. Some pretty strong winds. And then it becomes a low pressure system. But actually this is the wind gust. Oh wait, actually this is the wind speed in knots. Okay. And the storm spins around in the Caribbean and then slams into Mexico, and then gets 64 winds. And then it goes back into the Gulf, Mexico, and weakens. And after that, it gets up to around 80 knot winds. So let's go see what 80 knot winds equal. Okay guys, so 80 knot winds is equivalent to 92.062 miles an hour. So while the storm strengthens in the Gulf, the storm's going to become like around a Cat 2 hurricane in the Gulf. And the storm is going to become a Cat 2 hurricane in the Gulf. Probably a potential major hurricane. If you haven't watched Weatherman Plus's video, please go watch it, because he has a bunch of spaghetti models to know where all the storms are going and some other stuff. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.